Costa Rica is an international lab. In other places you get earthquake because you have two tectonic plates interacting, but in Costa Rica you have 4 plates. We operate a local network, and that's good for small earthquakes in Costa Rica, but once we get a very large earthquake, a lot of our instrumentation gets saturated, the instruments clip. Being part of CTBTO was an opportunity for us as a research institute to operate one of these stations that could give us a wider window to look at the Earth. It's very important to have people locally trained to keep the station running continuously. We get a lot of training from CTBTO. We learn how to improve our recording systems, algorithms for locating earthquakes, for processing the data. The knowledge that we learn from this single station, the CTBTO, help us improve the work we do with the rest of the network.